Assalamu alaikum friends, how are you all? I hope my all lovely friends fine and good. May Allah bless you and keep smiling, always be happy in your life. First of all, thank you for spotting me and welcome back my YouTube channel. I want to share crochet article design and I hope you like this video. This video I am sharing book cover design. These three patterns are beautifully designed and suitable for both beginner and maker shine. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. So guys, don't skip the video, watch the video start to end. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest update. This book cover design can be as simple or elaborate as you want. All have these designs unique and for used. All of these designs look great, so find your favorite pattern now. This book cover crochet pattern design, simple to make and look real stylish and unique on your little one. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope this video very amazing and helpful for you. So friends, subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. You will see new and latest updates. The crochet lovers are always searching for cute and unique ideas and plan to work on get their make shine more and more. This colorful pattern used on your books, copies and register everyday pattern. This book cover design looking are so beautiful and so unique. So here this seed idea for creating these some winning designs and crochet pattern design.